So you've come away from the valuation and you find out that you did not win that instruction. Why? I'm going to give you 3 reasons that you didn't win that instruction. Hi, I'm Sam from Firewave. So we're talking about why you didn't win that instruction. I've got 3 reasons here why I think you didn't win it. And the number 1 reason that actually eclipses all the rest of them is it was the wrong client. So let's say you pull up outside their house, it's a beautiful £1 million house, you've drawn up in a Lada, didn't even make those anymore, Skoda, little one, and they've got, Bentley outside. Straight away there's a mismatch between the two of you. Straight away you have different values, you move in different circles, and that is going to put you at a distinct disadvantage. But exactly the same is true in reverse as well. So if you turn up in a Bentley and they've got a little Skoda sat outside the house and the house is only worth, say, 100,000, you're going to have the same mismatch. So actually it's not about having a particular degree of client, it's about that client being somewhere near where you are on the sort of social spectrum. Number 2, you quoted the wrong fee, and this actually goes to the wrong client one actually, because let's say you've pulled up outside a £100,000 terrace and the people that are selling the house are really keen to maximise their investment and they're very, very money conscious and they're going to therefore be fee conscious. There's only 2 numbers they're listening for. 1 is the valuation, 2 is your fee, and therefore they're only comparing you with other agents' fees and other agents' valuations. So if that's true and you've quoted any more than say 1%, you're not going to get it, because really probably should have gone to Purple Bricks. By the same token, you draw up outside our lovely £1 million mansion, you start quoting 1% or less, and actually you're in danger of losing it because you're too cheap. And number 3 is you didn't use Legend, which is our legendary conversion formula, and hopefully Tilly can link back to the Whiteboard Wednesday where we explained Legend in full. But very briefly, it stands for Listen, Explore, Gap, Educate, Needs, Decision. And you can see that it's a very handy formula to help you make sure that you're converting at the highest possible percentages. Now, Firewave is so much more than a marketing agency. We teach things just like this. We teach them face-to-face. We have fantastic client events. And on top of all that, we give you amazing content and some incredible technical sales letters as well, all for a very easy to manage monthly fee. But the first thing you need to know is whether your area is available, because we only work with 1 independent estate agent per area in the UK. So if you go here, fire-wave.co.uk, you'll find out straight away everything you need to know about Firewave, plus be able to put an application in to see whether your area is available. If it is, we'll have a chat straight away and see if you're a good fit for us and we're a good fit for you. So until the next Whiteboard Wednesday, see you then. Bye.